Hi, I'm Miss Kathy.
And I'm Miss Kelly. Welcome to the garden. Today in the garden, we will talk about composting. What is compost? Compost is organic material that can be added to soil to help plants grow. All composting needs 3 ingredients: browns, which are materials like dead leaves, branches, and twigs; greens, which are materials like grass clippings, vegetable waste, fruit scraps, and coffee grounds; and water. Having the right amount of water, greens, and browns is important for compost development.
The brown materials provide carbon for your compost. The green material provides nitrogen, and the water provides moisture to help break down the organic matter.
What to compost? Fruits, vegetables, peelings, bread, eggshells, cereal, coffee grounds and filters, tea leaves and tea bags without the staples, leaves, grass clippings, twigs, and brush trimmings.
There are some things you do not want to put in your compost pile. Don't compost dairy products, coal or charcoal ash, diseased plants, fats, grease, lard or oils, meat or fish bones and scraps, pet waste, or yard trimmings treated with chemical pesticides. These items might have substances that are harmful to plants, create odor problems and attract pests, or contain bacteria or germs that could be harmful to humans.
How to compost. First, select a dry, shady spot. Second, add brown and green material as they are collected. Make sure large pieces are chopped or shredded. Third, moisten dry materials as they are added. And finally, turn over the compost materials regularly. These are some examples of what compost containers may look like.
A pitchfork or shovel are great tools to have for turning your compost. Here is the compost container that we will be using to make organic material for our garden. Our compost material includes sticks. Make sure to break them into smaller pieces. Leaves and pine needles, eggshells and greens like overripe zucchini and wilted lettuce, coffee grounds, and small pieces of cardboard. And don't forget the water. It's a very important ingredient to help the materials break down. Make sure to mix up your compost pile. Ours is on a roller, so we're going to give it a spin. It can take a couple of months or more for the materials to break down. Add this rich organic material to your soil to help the plants in your garden grow. It's a great way to reuse and recycle. The library has a lot of great books about composting. Check them out online or using our Libby app.
We use this link as a source of information for this video. Visit your local gardening center to find out more about composting. They are a great resource. Join us next time as we check in on our garden. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time to see how our garden grows.